Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you're using an administrator account so the system lets you remove core software. Once signed in, back up any local Office documents and note the Microsoft account or product key tied to your license because reinstall needs it. Now open Settings, go straight to Apps, then Installed Apps. That view lists Office apps. This first step triggers the uninstall workflow and prevents permission errors later, so make sure those prerequisites are complete before continuing. Once you see Microsoft 365 or the specific Office app in Installed Apps, click the three dots and choose Uninstall. You must confirm twice in many cases. Follow the on-screen prompts. The built-in uninstaller removes core files and registry entries. Allow the system to restart if prompted to finish cleanup. If the uninstall hangs or reports errors, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant tool. It automates removal of stubborn components. So to finish, manually remove leftover folders in program files and app data and clear temporary files. This ensures no orphan files remain. Once done, check Settings Apps again to verify all Office components are gone and reboot to complete registry updates. If activation or leftover shortcuts cause problems, run the official Office removal tool or the repair option from Microsoft's Support Kit. That recovers broken installs. One key troubleshooting tip. If uninstaller fails, run the removal tool in safe mode to avoid locked files.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.